Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the last video, we have shown how to create the dashboard and Jira filters. So now there is one more thing. Like suppose that we have some filter. Like suppose this is one filter, and if you want to modify this filter and you don't have edit access, and it's not owned by you, like the owner has moved out of your organization and he has created this filter long ago, and you want to modify this filter without creating any new filter or duplicate filters, then you can have one option, like you must change the ownership of this filter. So uh, so uh, here I will say how to change the ownership of the filter or ownership of the dashboard uh, in Jira. And this is in case of only when the owner has left our organizations, but not we can't change the ownership every time when we want something. So that's not advisable. It's This is only when the owner has moved out of our organization, and owner is no longer valid. Then only you can change this type of things, uh, and you can change the ownership to your name. So let's go to the ownership change, how we can change the ownership of Jira filter or Jira dashboard. So first of all, so this is one of the filter name. And if you want to change the ownership of this filter, this is owned by some person. And if you want to change the one, and this person has left the organization, and if you want to change the ownership of this filter, then you must go to settings and go to the system. And in the system, in the left pane, you can see the shared items. Okay, the shared items. So here you can see the filters dashboards. So these filters or dashboards will show what are the things saved in the present current Jira. Okay, so just click on the filters, and these are the things. So these are the filters currently existing filters in Jira. So if I want to change, suppose this is one filter, and and this owner has left the organization, and I want to modify something in this filter. So I cannot modify and save it. So I can change the ownership. So by clicking on ellipsis, you can have an option like change owner. So once you click change owner, it will ask to fill the owner name. So here you can give the owner name. So this is how we can change the ownership of the filter. And similarly for dashboards as well, like if you go to dashboards, suppose, so there is a dashboard, and this dashboard owner also left the organization, and you want to make it owned by your name. Then you can just click on the here and change owner, so that it will move to your name as a owner. And you can make the changes, you can save it, and you can modify it in further. So that's how we can change the ownership of the filters or dashboards. And also one more shortcut is there. So I told you, like go to settings and system, right? So instead of that, you can just use the full stop button in your keyboard, so that a shortcut will open. So here also you can just type filters or dashboards. Okay, so that it will redirect to this page only. So this is one of the useful shortcut in Jira. Okay guys, hope you understand this video. Thanks for watching.